National District of Columbia, D.C., effective immediate. Do not turn off your TV. Do not turn off your TV. This is issued to you by the U.S. government. Do not turn off your TV. The authorities have found a threat lurking in the following states: Utah, Nevada, California, Idaho, Arizona, and New Mexico. It is not required, but we prefer you to evacuate if you live in this area. If you live in the areas said in the last news, effective immediate, evacuate. The threat is crazy, evacuate. Canada has opened its borders. The threat has spread. If you hear a familiar voice, and you are alone, it found you. Ignore it, don't react. All citizens should evacuate to Canada.
Honey, it's your mom. Come on, I need your help.
Do not move. It will find you and kill you. Mom is dead. Mom is dead. Mom is dead. Mom is dead.